Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how you can get a grass airdrop in just a few simple steps. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and drop a like. It really helps the channel grow and motivates me to keep finding great opportunities for you. I regularly try to find promising projects and share them with you so you can get in early and earn from airdrops. Now let's quickly talk about Grass. Grass is a project focused on decentralized internet infrastructure, where users can share their internet bandwidth and get rewarded for it. Why it's worth trying. The project already has a large user base. Active users are receiving real rewards. Participation is very simple and requires no investment, and projects like this often give out solid airdrops in the early stages, so it definitely makes sense to try it while it's still early. I'll leave the website link in the description, and now let's move on to claiming the airdrop. We go to the website and can see that many people have already received their airdrop. Next, we have two options. Either enter your wallet address or connect your wallet. In my case, I'll just enter my wallet address. Click on check eligibility and wait a few seconds while it processes. And as you can see, I'm eligible for 3,425 grass. Next, click connect wallet and confirm the transaction. Now let's wait a bit for the tokens to arrive in the wallet. Alright, about 2 minutes later, and the airdrop has been successfully received in my wallet. Now you can try to claim your own airdrop. I'll leave the link in the description. Make sure to write in the comments how much you managed to earn. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss new videos with similar opportunities. Good luck to everyone, happy earnings, and see you in the next video.